everybody. It's the 27th of January and it's about 3 degrees outside. There was frost on my car this morning. I'm just going to wait for someone to go before I start filming. I want to show you outside as usual. Ding 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 ding. Beautiful blue skies. Sorry,
hiya.
Are you right?
That's alright.
It's alright. So that lovely lady just donated this bike, this Muddy Fox. So that's going to be another one for next week. Anyway, where was I? Before people were giving us bikes for nothing. Yeah, glorious day. There's actually a little bit of sunshine up there somewhere. As usual, the front of the shop is freezing. Right, so got these 3 being picked up today, and then I've got 5 things finishing on eBay, so 5 more things need to go onto eBay. So I've got a little tub ready of goodies to go on. I'll show you them when I'm ready to start. But the first things first was 2 things. Firstly, I don't know if you noticed, and I don't know if I can show you easily. Oh, I can't show you. What's going on with this gimbal? Come on, behave yourself. Right. Oh God, this one's going in the laughter files. Right. The heating's on again. I got a gas bottle this morning. Hooray! Which means I'm not freezing to death. Right, part 1. Part 2, I've got so much to do first thing before I can get on any sort of physical work. And 3 is that kettle needs to go on because I'm gasping. Right, let's get into it. Okay, so here is this week's eBay that I'm now going to put on. I've got some quite special parts this week. So let's have a look. So first up, we've got these lovely DURA-ACE hubs, front and rear. We've got 3T drop handlebar, specialised alloy stem. Got these 500 EX Exage chainrings in new condition, and we've got this Lock Jaw 2 DMR saddle. As well. So those, I'm now going to photograph those and put them onto our eBay page. Right, I'm going to crack on. So all of these have just been listed on our eBay. I will put a link in the description of this video so you can have a good look at them. 3T alloy handlebars, they're really rare. Pair of DURA-ACE hubs, specialised stem. These are super rare. These BioPace 500 EX BioPace chain rings and chain set, and this, as I found out, DiamondBack saddle with a Lock Jaw 2 stem. So those are on. While I've been doing that, I've had a bike collected, and I've got this one to put a tube on the back, put some air in the front. So I'm going to sort that one out now. folding bike has been done. So it's got a new tube on the back, and I've inflated the tyres quick presser, and I've adjusted the brakes because they're awful. This thing at the front here has got basically a rear hub, I think, with a threaded disc on it, and it's come really loose. So I need to advise the customer about that because it's not great. Right, on to the next one. Okay, so this one's done. I just sold 2 bikes in the shop to a lovely family, hence why I had to stop recording. We just sold DiamondBack Overdrive and the mountain bike to a really lovely family, really lovely people, and they're gonna have a lot of fun with these, I think. Right, I'm going for lunch, and I will see you this afternoon, and hopefully some bits and pieces will be picked up. Okay, so it's coming up to the end of the week, and I'm just waiting for customers to pick some bikes up, and so I've got 5 bikes waiting to be collected today. Here's 4 of them, and one that I did earlier when I repaired the tyre and the wheel. So this is the last daily diary this week. However, there are going to be some videos tomorrow for you. Awesome one of my one-take bicycle tours, where I cycle around a picturesque town of Southwold in Suffolk, which would be well worth watching. And then on Sunday I'm going to be here, but I'm not going to be filming it, but I'm going to be here basically doing some reviews of some of the products that we've been sent. So that's my Sunday. I'm just trying to think if there's anything else I need to tell you. If you go on our website, you can fill in a thing where you join our newsletter, because our newsletter is coming out at the end of the month, and it's well worth joining because we've got some awesome prizes to give away this month. So you can do that ahead of time. But if I don't see you, have a lovely weekend, and I will see you on Tuesday for some more daily diary. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on Tuesday.